So today we're making this from these. I have a whole lot of scrap fabric and today we're going to do something special with it.
What's changing? She don't need saving. She's gonna roll with the waves and find her own way. She's not afraid.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Refund the Real, where I take you through a real life journey of what it's like to be a self-made fashion designer. So today we want to do a little backpack from scrap fabric, and I obviously took the measurements first. I wanted to be able to fit my laptop and then a few essential things like my water bottle, and also I wanted to try out this new fabric paint that I got, so I'm hoping this will be an opportunity for me to do that today. So let's get into the pattern making. Okay, so I looked at the video for the pattern drafting that I made and I realized it wasn't very clear and you guys can't actually see what's going on there. So this is a little backup just in case I can't fix it so that I can show you guys what the patterns actually turned out to look like, and I'll give you a little like explanation on that. Okay, so what we have here is basically this is the front and the back of the backpack. This little piece here is the side pockets where I want to put my water bottles in. This medium long piece, this one, is for the top and the bottom. So one of these are going to be on the top where I'm going to place a zip in, and the long one over here are for the straps that go over the shoulder. So basically what I want to do is with this one, you'll see I have like a line drawn in the middle there. I want to use this pattern for the front pocket as well, so I didn't do two separate patterns for that. And all of these patterns still I need to add seam allowance, but I'm going to do that with my fabric chalk on the fabric. I'll probably do another video on how I made the pattern, but it's actually very straightforward because as you can see, it's basically just rectangles and squares. So yeah. Now that the pattern is out of the way, what I want to do is I quickly want to sort through the denim scraps, because I don't know if you guys know this, but you get stretchy denim and then you get the more stable denim. And if you want to make anything from scrap fabric, this is the one rule you need to know. You can't mix stretchy fabrics with straight fabrics unless you know where to use them, because otherwise it'll just make your whole little design thingy look very cheap and not very well done and not very well rounded off either. So I'm going to sort through that quickly. I'm also looking for like bigger pieces that I could use, and maybe more along the line of the same colors, not too light, but then also, you know, I don't know what I have in here. Let's just pick it up. I think I'm gonna use a more stable, because I think I have enough stable pieces as to rather not use the stretchy ones for a backpack, especially because it's gonna have like things in it. I'm gonna actually carry things in it. So also with worn denims, the jeans, you'll notice some of them, if they've been worn for a very long time, they'll have thinned out in certain areas. So you also don't want to use that because you don't want your design to have a tear if you put things in it. So yeah, just a few tips for you guys while I'm sorting through these things. I'm really just looking for more stable pieces. I'm also saying if I don't find like big pieces that I can cut once off, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut them into smaller pieces and then do like a little patchwork thingy. Have that going on. So, but we'll see what we can do with what we have. But I definitely just want to use stable pieces. I think that's the best option at this stage. I'm gonna continue sorting through this, and then I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Okay, so I'm done sorting through them. I've separated them into two bundles, the dark bundles and the light ones. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time to finish the whole project today, but my daughter is coming to stay with me for the weekend, so I think it'll be nice to have her here and help, especially with the painting part. So she might be in the video tomorrow, but I'm gonna go ahead and end off here for today, and then yeah, we'll pick it up tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll just put the scraps together and try to make one piece so that it fits into, I hope this is enough. I hope this is enough for the whole bag, because we have big pieces I might not even really be able to use, and then we have small pieces, but I'm definitely going to paint on the lighter colors. But I wanna have like a fun thing with my daughter when we do this, so we can do this together, because I haven't seen her in a while, so it'll be nice bonding experience with her. So yeah, okay. It is the next day. Yesterday I did do the blocks. I did a little bit of interfacing on the blocks as well, just to give it a little bit of structure. And Fakey is with me today. Very shy, but she is gonna do the paint work for us today. and I'm going to leave it up to her to decide what she wants to do. So we're going to do a few of the blocks. I'm going to go sew these pieces together so long while Faiki is doing the paintings. And then we have to wait for the painting to dry, and then we have to infuse it with heat for it to stay. So, yeah. Okay. I wanted to quickly show you how far I got with the bag, and we've decided we're going to call it the Faye bag now. So yeah, this weekend we painted blocks of fabric for the bag, and I just wanted to show you guys how that turned out. Okay, so Faiki did the little pictures, and then I sewed the back part, the front part and the back part together, and then I did a little front pocket part as well. I finished the top and the side at the bottom. So I'm going to do this little pocket for a side pocket to hold my water bottle. Okay, and all I still need to do is do a lining for the inside of the bag and then put all the pieces together. So we're going to do that today. And this is what it looks like. I feel like I want to give you guys a closer view, but you'll probably be able to see the bag up close on my Instagram page. I did a little sling, just one sling, and did a lining on the inside so that it looks nice and neat on the inside. And I want to put my laptop in here so I can show you guys. Hold on. Okay, so it's big enough to fit my laptop in there. And I have a little cute baggie. So, what do you guys think? I'm gonna call this bag my little Faye bag because Faye, my daughter, helped me to create all these little cute pictures. We have one of a unicorn, we have kisses, we have flowers, smiley faces. So tell me if you guys liked this video. Let me know. Give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see me do more DIY videos like this, let me know down in the comments. If you want it to be more in detail, also let me know about that. I have been a bit packed with work, and this is why this project took a bit longer than expected. I wanted to finish it over the weekend, but then, you know, work and everything. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
That girl, she's me. Daydream on her shoulder.